If you're trying to turn 50, maybe you should take a look at these 5 things. Hi, I'm Diana and I am 48, so I'm getting ready to turn 50. And what does that mean to me? That means that I'm preparing. I'm preparing my mind and my body to turn 50 and to get ready for the second half of my life. And some might argue that the second half of my life already started a decade ago. Whatever. I'm seeing this as the entry to the second half of my life because I know that soon I'm going to be seeing a completely different face and body. And that's okay, because that's what happens naturally if you stay alive. And I want to stay alive, and I hope that you do too. So if you want to ensure the very best entry into 50 and the very best beyond, then you can try these 5 things. The first thing you need to do is start building your muscles now. After 50, your muscle mass only goes down. And when your muscle mass goes down, your bone density goes down. And when your bone density goes down, you're screwed because you fall and then you're really screwed. So you all know that. Get your muscle mass up now. If you'd like to watch this little video on the Farmer's Carry Challenge, this is one way to gauge your fitness right now and where you need to be. But I don't want to explain that in this video, so if you want to check that out, it's here or it's down below in the description. If you don't have access to a gym, there's plenty of heavy things to carry, and you can also use your own body weight as resistance. There's so many ways to do this, and I highly suggest you check out Julia Rappel's exercise channel. I'm going to link that below. I do not have a partnership with her. I'm just a huge fan of what she's doing, and all of her little 15-minute classes are free, so check them out. Start doing them. Start building that muscle. It's one of the best ways you can prepare for your future self. And speaking of getting your muscle mass up, you could also try to get your weight down. Now, this is not weight shaming. I'm just saying that if you have always been wanting to get your weight down, now is the time. And what I'm about to say is going to sound super shallow, but I think you're going to find it very helpful. Is if you do want to get your weight down, now is the time because your skin and your body structure might actually still snap back. If you wait too long and you decide to get your weight down when you're not as elastic, you might have a lot more extra flesh. So getting your weight down before 50 might be a helpful idea for your future self and how your arms look at your daughter's wedding and how you feel when you're walking up a volcano when you're vacationing in Costa Rica. There's many reasons you might want to get your weight down to a healthy level. Before 50 is a great time to start microneedling. I use Qure's micro infusion kit because I love Qure products, so I am going to talk about Qure here. And if you want to get it cheaper, you can use my link down below. And right now there are some awesome bundles. So if you're going to think about microneedling, I think you should think about it right now. And the reason I think that you should start doing it before 50 is because after 50, you're going to see a huge loss in collagen. And your skin and your face is going to start to kind of soften and almost kind of collapse in some areas. Like I've got a little bit of collapsing going on right here. And it's really not the end of the world to me. I don't feel like super sad about it, but I would like to mitigate this when I can. And right now is a great time. So I do microneedling every 2 weeks, and I've been doing this for over a decade. And I think that my skin has aged really well. For a 48-year-old, my skin's pretty darn good. You can get a close-up look. I really concentrate on this area where I get laugh lines, and I concentrate on this area and here. Those are my main focus areas. But I do my whole face every 2 weeks, and I do believe that it's been keeping my skin looking great. Microneedling can help encourage collagen growth, and we need all the help we can get after 50. You might as well start now. And if you're nervous about microneedling, you could always watch this video right here where I talk more in depth about it. It's also in the description below. And another way to get ready for 50 is to start eating for nutrients. Make nutrients your focus at every meal. Take a look at the meal and say, how many vitamins are in this? And if you start focusing on the vitamins in every meal, then you're going to look and feel much better. You're also going to prepare your body and your insides for after 50 when things start to slow down a little bit. If you're feeding it lots of nutrients and vitamins, your body's going to be well prepared to go into your next decade. If you start concentrating on nutrients and vitamins in each meal, then you're going to have less time to eat things that aren't good for you. Then you're going to find yourself eating less of the bad things because you'll already be full. Skin's going to look better, your eyes will be clearer, you're going to feel better, so you'll be more fun. Win-win. Number 5 is disconnect your self-worth and your sense of beauty from the view of others. What does that even mean? That means you can't get your sense of self-worth from how you look to others. You get your self-worth from what you do and being the best you possible and celebrating your unique beauty. And if you just think about celebrities, there's always like some celebrity that everybody thinks is beautiful. And then there's some people that go, oh no, they're not beautiful. There's no standard measurement of beauty. But I can tell you that one of the most beautiful things in a human being is kindness. And if you focus on kindness, you will always be seen as beautiful. But after 50, you might not care as much that you be seen as beautiful. And that's the wonderful thing about being over 50. So I hear. So good luck on your journey. We will do more of these videos in preparation for our second half. I'll see you soon.